You know you gotta put that cream, like, you know what I'm saying? Fam, you gotta put that cream, bro. Cocoa butter, cuz. You see that cocoa butter? Oh, let it focus. Yeah, cocoa butter. Cuzo. Walk on the wave, smile in my face.
Cheek in my cup, hand in my jeans.
Man talk tough, man look up, down, left, right.
Shit it,
Don't wanna trip to the S, I showed you. That's my down the mask like Toby.
Tell her wake up, man was telling me
Champagne pop up for the full chopper. In that black night, mama dropper. Ayy, Cuzo. Ayy. Hey, what's going on, Cuzo family? I hope you like that little rap that we did in the beginning. Showed you a bit of a grime beat. Well, it weren't really a freestyle because we were reading the lyrics.
Yeah.
But yeah, so today, Cuzo family, we're gonna start off with a fresh bang. So we've been requested a song. It's a brand new song by Chase Anthony, however you pronounce it. I should know that. That's pretty much a straightforward name.
Chase.
But nah, you guys have been hitting me up. You know, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for the love. I appreciate all the love. You guys are flipping amazing. You guys are sick. Cuzo family to the end. But yeah, so we're gonna react to Chase's new song, Petty Pa. I feel like that P is not a P. It's like it's got a pronunciation. It's got a pronunciation. But yeah, guys, tell me how to pronounce it. I'm sorry again. You know, I need to learn. But I will learn the language. I promise. But yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna do this song. And remember, guys, make sure you do make sure you do subscribe, guys. Alright, follow us on the Instagram and Snapchat so we can talk to each other. I want to get to know you guys. You guys are flipping amazing, alright. But and watch out for the new merchandise. New merch coming soon. Cuzo merch coming soon. Alright, let's get straight to it. Let's go. One thing I like about it, he's got long hair in it. Like he's got a nice long hair in it. It's definitely about a girl, surely. Like, I bet it's about this girl as well. It's like, I can tell there's like a story between these two. But yeah, let's go. Oh, she's beautiful, by the way. Oh, wow. That's pretty sick, I like that. Sorry to pause again, but I like how the videos are, you know what I mean? Like the different shots, like it's got this nice vibe, this nice feel to it, you know what I mean? Like whoever edited this music video, the editing skills are on point. Like it's Cuzo. You deserve a cocoa bar. Nice part. It's like some old school part, vintage. Oh, it's perfect. Kuzo. Oh shit, see that? This guy's new in there, like, he must be new. I've never heard of him before. Vous faites qu'une mère, vous faites qu'une sang, vous faites qu'une mère, vous faites qu'une mère, vous faites qu'une sang, yeah. Vous faites qu'une mère. I can't sing. I like that, the crucifix. Okay, Kuzo family. That was lit. Come on, man. It's litty.
Oh, litty.
Wanna do lit or lit?
Huh?
Should we do lit or lit?
Lit.
Lit. With 2 ways. But yeah, that was Chase. Guys, hit me down in the comment section below. Tell me if Chase has any other song. But I think he's brand new because I didn't hear about him before. Even when I was living there, I didn't really know much about him. So he seems like a new artist and he's talented, man. Like, I like him. I like his style. I really do like his dress sense. I like his style a lot. And yeah, he's a good guy, man. Like, I mean, like, his songs good. It's like an R&B artist, you know what I mean? So keep up the good work, Chase, Anthony. I like your music, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's good. I like it. It's chilled. Fou fucking ça. Fou fucking So I know the lyrics. I gotta do, you know what I mean? Jermaine, talk to them. Keep it a minute more.
This guy, firstly, knows how to sing, well. And secondly, his music videos are always good.
Not when you get a shot, mate.
Huh? Oh, sorry. This music video was good. Like, it was clear that you're talking about a girl for the whole video, and like his singing was soothing and chill.
That's it, man. But you guys already know what it is. Get in the shot, man. You got in the shot. Thank you. You guys already know what it is. Make sure you hit that comment section down below. What song should we react to next? Smash that like button and make sure you do subscribe. Please subscribe. It's important to subscribe. Please. We're trying to get to that 4,000. You know, we're family. Let's go together. And watch out, guys. Kuzo merchandise coming real soon. November, December, we'll let you know. But yeah, what should we react to next? And once again, thank you so much. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And the same goes for him. Love you guys so much. You guys are flipping sick. Kuzo gang. You already know it is gang. You guys are Kuzo. We're Kuzo. Everything Kuzo. Remember, stay shining. Kuzo, we out.